Friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Loki Learning. In this video, we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics Class 7 Chapter 6 Ratio and Proportion Exercise 6B Question 10. This one is 12 people can clean an office building in 3 hours. How long would it take by 4 people? Okay, so you see here, if 12 people take, first of all, let the time be x. Alright. So let the time be x. Now one thing is important here, you need to study is direct variation is when we increase some place, so other quantity also gets increased. Suppose I have A and I have B. So if I increase something in A, then B also will increase. Okay, this is known as what? Direct variation. If I have something in A and if I have something in B, right? But if I decrease something from A, so it will increase in B. This quantity is known as what? Inverse variation, right? So direct variation and inverse variation is simply direct variation when you basically add something and the other side also adds, or what else is that when you subtract, then also it will subtract. Okay, so the two operations happen on the same side. Here it is different, AB. So if you subtract from A, it will increase on B. If you increase on A, it will subtract on B. Okay, this is what inverse variation is. You apply some brain here and you see that 12 people can clean in 3 hours. Okay, so if we have less people, okay, if we have less people to do our work, how much time will it take? More time, of course, right? So this means what? You are subtracting number of people. 12 minus 8 is 4. Okay, and time will increase then because people are less, so time will also take more, time will also become more, right? So this is a question of inverse variation, and what we do is simple. Again, first of all, we'll form the ratios. Okay, ratio is first of all of the people, right? So people ratio will be the same, no changes will make because we know both of our values, right? So first of all, 12 people do it, so 12 is to 4, right? This becomes our ratio. Now the ratio of the time, okay, the time. And one thing we have to see here, like the previous questions we did here, what we will do is inverse it. Inverse means what? That change this means that if 12 people did this in 3 hours, we will write 12 is to 4, but the ratio becomes what? X is to 3. Okay, this becomes X is to 3. So this 12 people did it in 3 hours, but we write this thing as X, right? Inverse means this would have been 3 is to X, but we have inversed it because it is a question of inverse variation. So whenever it is a question of inverse variation, the ratio with the unknown quantity is always written in inverse, and then write this in proportion, that is 12 is to 4 proportion X is to 3. So this and this will be how much? 12 into 3 is equal to 4 into X. So 36 is equal to 4X. So X equals 36 upon 4, 1 and 9. So X is equal to 9. So answer becomes what? That they'll take 9 hours to complete the work, right? 9 hours. And you can see even why is it inverse variation question, because 12 people were doing it in 3 hours and less people are doing it in 9 hours. So less people are doing it in much more time than more people, right? So this means it is a question of inverse variation and 9 hours becomes our answer. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell icon down below so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Leave a like on this one. Till then, take good care of yourself and bye bye.